Welcome back, y'all. So today I want to give you a tour of the very first RV park I stayed in, which is North Pointe RV Resort in Selma, North Carolina. So one thing I suggest if you're new to RVing is to stay somewhere close to home so you can get used to it. So that's exactly what I did. Selma is about 30 minutes away from Raleigh, North Carolina, which is my home, and it was about 20 minutes from the hospital I was working at in Goldsboro. So I stayed in the back part of the RV park for a month. The back side of the RV park is for long-term stays, and I stayed in the front part of the RV park, which is where we're headed now. I stayed there for a week. So like I said, the name of this is North Pointe RV Resort, and this is the front entrance. To the right there was the office, and if you turn around this corner, this whole area up in the front is for weekly and daily people. And this is the dog park over here to the right. Me and Roger, we went there a few times. It was nice. And right here, this beautiful lake, it has ducks and fish. You can feed the ducks, and they have a catch and release fishing for the fish. And it's a pretty large RV resort. It is very family friendly, and there is a playground over there. I didn't get that in the video. There's a playground, and the kids ride their bikes around. It's a very family oriented kind of vibe. This is the pool. This building right here has a small arcade, and you can also rent that building out for like events or little functions that you might have. The pool was nice. I think it went up to like 6 feet. It costs a couple of dollars if you bring a friend or a guest with you to swim, but it was a really nice pool. Let's see. Oh, the front of the park is paved, so that was nice for Roger. He could walk on the road, the paved road.
Same trailer, the new front yard. I think Roger likes the pavement instead of the gravel from the back.
In the back, it's more gravel.
Roger for a walk in the neighborhood. He's going for a walk. Ooh, 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 ooh.
I forgot to mention the laundry. They have a laundry room in the front near the office and right back there by the pool as well. The sites were level, it was quiet, and I would recommend for anyone to stay there. I liked it. Oh, they do include internet, but I'll say that I could not connect to their internet at all, which I've been told for RV parks in general, that is just a common thing. If you're an RV newbie, make sure you have your own form of internet, and please don't expect anything from the RV parks who offer internet. But I just wanted to give you a little tour around the area. This place is convenient to a lot of stores and restaurants, a lot of fast food places. The grocery store is right up the street, a short little drive. They have a Planet Fitness around the corner. Anything that you would need is going to be close by. The Smithfield Outlet Mall is out there, so if you want to do some shopping, they have a lot of different stores out there.
Guess what they got out here, y'all? Guess what they got? Cracker Barrel. What y'all know about Cracker Barrel? I couldn't show y'all how pretty it was in the beginning because I was just too excited.
But that's about it. I don't really have anything else to say about North Pointe RV Resort. I would suggest that you go out there. It's a nice place to be. I wish I had a drone so I could fly over some places so y'all could see. Hopefully I'll get one soon, and I'll make more videos of the RV parks that I've been staying at. This was in May, I believe, and right now we're getting into September, so I'm behind y'all, but I promise you I'll get y'all some videos soon. So subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see y'all soon.